there been rebuilt already. These guys are still working on it. And this house is pretty much finished. Then we'll come around some of the houses that are under construction. This is finished. This house here already finished, sold for I think it was $3.8 million. You can look it up on Zillow. This is Spring Drive. We're on Spring Drive. This house is almost complete. This one's being built. See, there's a lot of construction going on. We run along the side of the mesa here on Spring Drive. This is under construction. This is a duplicate of the house that was there before. Same with this one. Houses up here, it's just going up. This is a spec home here. They're asking over $4 million for it. It's being built. Let's look here. There's a sign. Get a good look at the sign here. But that's what they're asking. There being built. This one is complete. It sold. They tried to sell it for, I forgot what, $3 million. And my house goes down here. This is Spring Court. Drops back down the hill, right along the edge of the mesa. This is one of the neighbors. He's fighting his insurance company still, but he'll be rebuilding. This is Peter's house. That's a new design. It's almost complete. Will be complete by October. Then up top here, that's Lee. They're just finishing his foundation. Pierre's house there, that's almost done. Coming up here, there's a house up on the hill there. They're almost done with that one too. It's pretty cool looking. If I can get a picture of it, I will when I get down at the end. I'm waiting for another car. There's a lot of cars and trucks coming through here, as you might guess. Here's my motorhome. That's in the motorhome parking spot. And then this house up here, pretty cool looking. And then that's Pierre's house. And this is a Tesla home, all Tesla tiles. That's my neighbor. That's it.